Interacting with the Yucatan Peninsula, but it is expected to re-strengthen into a hurricane once it does move back over the open waters of the southern Gulf of Mexico. And then it is actually forecast to strengthen even further as it approaches the Gulf Coast later in the day on Wednesday as a Category 1 hurricane with winds near 85 miles an hour and expected to move inland here along the Louisiana coast later in the day Wednesday into Wednesday evening and then move directly over central Alabama during the overnight period Wednesday night and into early on Thursday morning. So that's when most of the impacts will come for us here in central Alabama. During the day today, we've got a lot of low clouds around, kind of similar to yesterday morning. It'll be a damp start to the day with some of that fog out there. And then during the afternoon and into tonight, we could start to see our first wave of some showers associated with Zeta kind of moving from south to north across the area. And then Wednesday afternoon, we'll really start to see some showers increasing in coverage along with some gustier winds. But the bulk of the heavier rain with Zeta expected to come through during the overnight period. Notice we're after midnight here and you can start to see it moving from southwest to northeast across central Alabama. Heavy rain, and this is when we'll see some of the strongest winds too. The good news is it's moving quickly, but that also is kind of a double-edged sword because that means the wind associated with the system won't have a chance to kind of really weaken as we do typically see with most landfalling tropical systems. So the winds are still expected to be elevated as they do move through or as the system moves through. And so that's going to be one of our major concerns during the overnight period. You can see winds gusting 40, 50, 55 miles an hour for some of our southern counties. And that will continue to march east and northeast through the morning hours on Thursday as well before we'll finally start to see that kind of backing off a bit. And so for that reason, the local office has issued tropical storm watches for at least a handful of our southern counties here with those sustained tropical storm force winds causing some issues. 2 to 4 inches as far as rain is concerned. And so look at our impacts here Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Wind and therefore power outages or some tree damage are going to be the main impacts that we will see and experience here in central Alabama. Again, with 2 to 4 inches, most of us should be able to handle that. So to a lesser extent, flooding and just an isolated tornado threat too, especially for some of our southern counties. Otherwise, you can see on the planner for today, just a slight chance of a shower during the afternoon hours, and that's really after we start off with a little bit of mist or drizzle this morning. And so you can see the alert symbol for the wind and Zeta moving through early on Thursday, improving conditions heading into the weekend. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Steph. Our time right now is